Here we have our MEMX cell set up for humidification. The sweep side is connected to our water reservoir through a water pump. We have thermocouples on the inlet and outlet to measure the water temperature. The feed side is currently being fed dry air measured by our humidity meter. We are currently running a 16 SCFH. In this demonstration, we are running dry house air through the feed side of our cell with no water on the sweep side. As water flow is initiated through the sweep side, we will see water vapor permeate across the membrane and humidify the airstream. We are currently flowing room temperature through the sweep side of the cell at approximately 200 cc a minute. T3 is our water reservoir, with T1 and T2 being the inlet and outlet to the cell respectively. By changing the temperature of our water reservoir, we are able to get hot humidified air through the MEMX cell.